Namaskar. I am Sujit Mandal, Assistant Professor of Philosophy, CUD Vidyasagar College, West Bengal, Birbhum. I discuss what is knowledge or nature of knowledge. Discussing knowledge and epistemological issue, we can explore the nature of knowledge, its essence, source, and elements. Let's not overlook the necessity of determining what is most crucial among these aspects. Now let's delve into the primary subject. Knowledge scholars assert that to understand the nature of knowledge, we must focus on the verb to know because the term know is commonly used to express the occurrence of knowledge in a particular subject. For example, when I say Rambabu is very miserly, its significance is that I possess knowledge initiated of stating I have knowledge that Rambabu is very miserly. We typically say I know that Rambabu is very miserly by not explicitly using the term knowledge. We convey the idea that we know something. Therefore, it is apparent that the verb to know is employed, comprehended the concept conveyed by the word knowledge. The verb to know is generally used in three different senses. Firstly, it is used the sense of familiarity of acquaintance. For example, I know Rambabu, indicating that I am acquainted with Rambabu. Acquaintance can be direct or indirect. Secondly, the word to know can convey the idea of understanding a skill or method related to a particular task. For instance, or example, I know how to play the swim, indicating my skill in playing the swim. Thirdly, in its third sense, to know is used to refer to knowledge in a broader sense, such as discussing a topic. This involves verbal or written knowledge, knowledge in the form of information or a situation discussed in peace or writing in termed as verbal knowledge. Verbal knowledge has the characteristic of being a statement that must be true and appropriate evidence for its truth must be present. In summary, verbal knowledge refers to recognizing a statement as true in the context or familiarity and skill related knowledge both imply recognizing a statement as true in some way, which is why understanding in this context is dependent on verbal knowledge. Namaskar.